You can add a header and a footer to your document. A header is a section of specific text that appears at the top of every page in your document. A footer is the same thing, it just appears in the bottom. Let's insert a header first. To do that, from the top menu, click Insert, hover your mouse over Header and Page Number, and choose Header. You'll see a gray bar appear that says Header. These aren't going to be visible when you're printing or looking at the document. It's just going to show you what your boundaries are. You can have different formatting in your header. The first thing I'll do is give it a title. I can put my company's contact information or anything else I want. Now that I have my text typed, I can format it. For example, I might change the font and the size, make it a little bit smaller, bold-faced, and change the color. I just want to make it look different in some way so that it's very clear that it's a header. I also might want to place a check mark next to a different first page. If you have a cover sheet like what I have now, you might not want that header to appear on it. So therefore, you'd place a check mark here and you could add 2 headers. I can also click Options and get some more properties. For example, I can make the margins of the header and footer a little bigger or a little bit smaller. When I'm done making edits, I'll click back inside the main document. This is going to take me out of the mode to edit the header. So now, when I scroll through my document, I can see that the header is at the top of every page. We can do the same thing with the footer. Another way to get into the header and footer is to double-click right at the bottom or at the very top of the document. This is going to get you into the same mode. Now we're ready to start typing again. And again, I'll change the font. I'll make it look a little bit different so it's clear that it's a footer. And I can also change the way that the text is aligned. For example, I can center it or right align it. And I can also have a different footer on the first page. Maybe I don't even want one at all. When it's all done again, I can click away and it's been saved as a footer. Now, at the bottom of every page, I can see my footer, and at the top, I can see my header. To remove a header or a footer, you can click right back inside, select your text, and delete it. It's going to be gone from every page. You can always put it back at any time. Now, let's add page numbers to this doc. Click Insert from the top menu, and then hover your mouse over Page Number. You can choose where on your document you want the page numbering to appear. For example, at the top or at the bottom. And then, you also have to decide if you want the first page to count as a page. This doc has a cover page and I don't want it to have a number on it. In this case, I'll put it on the bottom right. Here, we can see the page number has been added to the footer. Note that any existing footer you already have in there is left alone and untouched. There's something else that you can do with page numbers. You can also include a total page count, which is helpful to tell the reader of your document what page they are currently on and how many pages there are. Here is my page number. I'm going to type the word and type a space. Now, let's come back to the Insert menu, hover your mouse over Page Number again, and this time choose Page Count. It's going to insert the total page count that is continuously updated as I add more pages. I'll click away from this footer so that we can see what it looks like. Now I can see at the bottom that this is page 2 of 4. If I scroll down, it's updated to page 3 of 4 and so on. As I add more pages, the total number increases.